In this video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel a purchase on eBay. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel a purchase on eBay as a seller. So in this video, I'm going to teach you what to do if you are selling products on eBay and you want to refund a buyer. If you want to cancel a purchase as a buyer, then this process is going to differ, and I'm not going to cover it in this video. There are a lot of limiting factors like the product cannot have shipped and so on. So what you have to do is access the selling hub. So you can go over to my eBay and choose selling, or find any other option that brings you to the selling hub. Now, once you are inside of the selling hub, go over to your orders and access all of them here. Once you choose your orders, you will see them, all of them listed, and you will see the date in which they were shipped. Now you can click this icon at the right side of any order, and you will see a bunch of options, including cancel order. So find a specific product among the list, so they will be listed in order here. You will see their current status, and by tapping on the arrow at the top left of a specific product, you will be able to cancel that order. So make sure that you choose the appropriate one. Once you choose cancel order, you will first have to specify the reason. So these are some examples, but they might differ when you try to do this process. I'm out of stock, or the item is damaged. Buyer asked to cancel the items in this order, and something was wrong with the buyer's address. So usually, if a buyer wants to cancel, they might send you a message, and the options here are going to help you do this. If you cannot find a reason that lines up with the actual reason that you want to cancel, you might have to contact the eBay customer support. For the most part, they are happy to help as long as you provide a genuine reason. You will see the subtotal here alongside your original shipping price, the refund due, and eBay will automatically handle the applicable tax back to the buyer. So all that you have to do is choose submit. You won't have to pay extra, and you won't have to do anything else after submitting this request. I hope I was able to help you on how to cancel a purchase on eBay. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.